चलो बच्चों, let's see the question here. A, statement 1 is true. Statement 2 is true. Statement 2 is correct explanation for statement 1. B, statement 1 is true. Statement 2 is true. Statement 2 is not a correct explanation for statement 1. C, statement 1 is true. Statement 2 is false. D, statement 1 is false. Statement 2 is true. Statement 1. Second ionization potential of alkali metals is maximum in the period. Because statement 2, alkali metals has smallest atomic size in the period. Here we will start our solution in this case. So here we will start with key concept. तो जैसा कि हम जानते हैं that alkali metals they belong to first group, whereas noble gases they are the one which belong to 18th group. We know that when we move along a period, in that case size decreases as effective nuclear charge in this case increases. So that means maximum radius must be for first group elements, that is alkali metals. But this is not true because of highly stable configuration. जो noble gases होती है, that is 18th group, they have highest atomic size and second highest is of alkali metals. That means if we talk about atomic size in this case, this will be maximum for 18th group elements. Then we have first group elements and so on. It will go on till then 17th group. Okay. So here it is said that in statement 2, alkali metals has smallest atomic size in the period. This is incorrect because smallest किसके लिए होती है? Smallest होती है 17th group, that is halogens. First statement क्या given है यहाँ पे हमारे पास? Second ionization potential of alkali metals is maximum in the period. We know that जो alkali metals होते हैं, that is first group elements जो होंगे, which is lithium, sodium, potassium and so on. So after losing one electron, that is if they lose one electron, that is lithium positive, sodium positive, potassium positive, now what will happen? They are attaining the electronic configuration of noble gases, that is this will be highly stable because हम जानते हैं जो alkali metals होते हैं they are the most electropositive metals. अब इस पोजीशन के बाद एक बार और इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज करना, this will be really high. So due to that it is said that second ionization potential value for alkali metals, this will be high or we can say maximum in the period. So this is true because of the high stable configuration of noble gases in this case. Hence, statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. So here option C is correct. I hope you understood the explanation. All the best.